Hey everybody,
Hey, what's up?
welcome to another video or episode in our wedding series.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what are we doing today? Because she always finds some stuff on the internet and it's like she wants us to try it, blah blah, and I'm just the guinea pig here just to do
It's not a guinea pig, okay? But anyway, we're gonna be doing a tag today. This is something that we should have done from a long time, like when he was actually my boyfriend. But no, he's not my boyfriend anymore. He's not my fiance anymore.
I'm husband material.
He's my husband. So we're gonna move this along. Basically the husband tag is I'm gonna be asking Sean some questions about our relationship, about me and stuff, and he's going to answer and I'm going to tell him whether he got them right or
I think
wrong.
So can I say something?
Right,
I think like why is it always a thing where you have to ask, you know, your spouse questions? It's like you're checking if them still remember, you know, your favorite
it's not even like a competition or anything like that.
Okay, let's see.
It's just for fun. It's just for you guys to get to know us, you know, as a part of this whole wedding series, to know about, you know, how we met and stuff like that.
I guess.
So it's really informative. It's not a competition in any way.
Okay, let's see how this goes.
Yeah. So you won't get in trouble if you get them wrong or anything like that.
They said that no, and then it's like
Who is they talking
as
about?
in like, you know, girlfriends, wives, fiancés. They said that you know I get in trouble, but can you not remember my birthday or you know blah blah blah. So
anyway, we need to get cracking. If you guys want to see this tag, get to know us some more, then stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
A few moments later.
Alright, so basically I got these questions online. I just basically googled husband tag, and there are about 35 questions. Some of the questions we would have answered in our get to know us tag. So if I see a question that was in that tag many moons ago, I'm not going to answer it. You guys can check out that get to know us tag probably before you watch this one.
Yeah.
So you can
probably
get some more.
Link.
Yeah, we'll probably link it. So you can get to know us. You can get some background on us. But here we go. Okay, the first question is, how and where did we meet?
I think we met at church. I know we met at Port Missionary Church.
That's the church that he goes to.
That's the church that I attend. So she came over, you know, church because our uncle is like deacon of the church. So she come over.
I hope he watches this and sees that.
He's an elder of the church. But I met her at Port Missionary Church, basically.
Yeah. I would like to add, that's true. We went at Port Missionary. We actually met because I used to come on their church trips in the summer. I used to have some friends that used to go to that church. And I was partying with them, basically. And they introduced me to Mr. Henry.
Yeah, that's how we met.
Let's just leave it at that.
That's how we
met. But yeah, he was right. What was your first impression of me?
She kind of looked nerdy, I guess.
Fair enough. That's not a right or wrong answer. That's just his opinion.
My thing's that most persons who wear glasses, them have this little nerdy thing about them. So I guess she kind of look nerdy but cute. Yeah, I guess.
Okay. How and where was our first date? I don't know what I mean by how, but I guess where was our first date?
Our first date.
Let me see if I remember it the same way.
At my house.
No. Yeah. Our first date was at Island Grill in Twin Gates Plaza.
You sure?
Half a tree.
Are you sure?
Yes. That was our first date. You don't remember?
Yeah, I remember going to
Yeah, that was our first date.
Yeah, but okay. You sure?
You talking about the birthday thing? That was not our first date, Sean.
Okay. I didn't remember.
Well, I don't consider it our first date.
Okay.
But maybe that's...
Yeah, I wouldn't consider like just going to... Well, it's a date.
You invited me out to lunch.
It's a date.
And it was a lunch date, and I considered it to be a date.
It's a date.
Yeah. Upstairs, Island Grill, Apple Tree, Twin Gates. If you know where, give us a thumbs up. Or comment in the comment box below. Alright. Where was our first kiss and how was it?
First kiss was at... What was that?
Nothing.
Our first kiss was at
where on the wedding day.
Okay.
Right.
And it was good. The kiss was good. I guess.
What do you mean, I guess? Anyway.
It was good.
When did you meet my family?
I met your mother and father at your church. I don't remember when.
I don't remember when you guys actually met either.
No, I know I met them at church. Either your church. No, I met them at Portmore Missionary Church. I remember going up to your father. I was like, hi, you know. But yeah.
I don't remember, but if he says I saw it go, I guess I saw it go.
I don't know. Yeah.
How did you know I was the one?
2 hours later.
I guess just how things kind of like work out in terms of like how the relationship kind of develop and stuff, and how we just click, in a lot of stuff, in terms of things that we liked, and I guess just kind of build some strong connection between that time of meeting her to know. So I just know because of the connection. That's how I know she was the one. The connection.
That's all. Okay, all right. If that's what you say, my love. All right. When and why did you fall in love with me? So it's a two-part question. So when did you fall in love with me?
Fall in love.
You can say I guess.
Like when I realized, when I started to, feel like a stronger connection.
Yeah, like when was that? Like how far into the relationship you think?
I can't put a time stamp on it, okay. But probably like midway in the relationship. Is that even a thing? I don't know.
I don't know what that means either, but okay. And why did you fall in love with me?
Again, it's all back to that connection where, it just click, isn't it? So, yeah, you have to fall in love with that. Yeah.
What do you love about me?
Her personality. She have a nice personality, like bright, bright.
Bright,
not like, dude, she have a bright personality, like she light up the room, she have a nice smile, and, people gravitate to her personality because... Yeah, she have a nice personality, so yeah, that's why.
Okay. How many children do I want children, and how many children do I want?
Yes, I know you want children, and her max is 2.
Okay. Yeah. Let's leave it at that. Let's not go into anymore. What is my favorite TV show right now, like currently?
Currently?
Yeah.
I know currently you're watching Orange is the New Black.
Yeah.
But I kind of introduce her to Power, so she kind of feel the Power vibe. Yeah.
Okay. What food do I not like?
I know
that should be so easy.
I know you don't like fish.
Oh, definitely not. He's so right. Yeah. If I could eat one thing every day, what would it be?
If you sneak up Skittles, I know you like Skittles.
I wouldn't eat that every day though.
Alright. Probably like your vegetables and like them something.
Wow. Yeah. No, but I don't know. I don't think I have a thing that I don't eat every day because I probably get bored. I don't know. Like there's not one thing I can say, I wish I could have that every single day.
You kind of get tired of it.
Yeah.
Probably like Beatrice is like, I'm gonna bother want this no more. Oh well.
Okay. What is my eye color?
Dark brown. She say hazel or some color. What is dark brown?
Alright, whatever. Who is my best friend?
Do you have a best friend though? Like, can I pinpoint
why are you
best friend?
even asking this question? This is an obvious answer. I tell you all the time.
Do you have a best friend?
I tell you all the time who my best friend is.
I mean,
Sean, you are my best friend. What are you even saying?
I'm her best friend. You should just drop that out.
You need to drop that out. Let me just ask that question. I can't talk about that. Alright, the next question is, who is my best friend? That should be very easy for him.
Well,
I think.
I know she said, I am her best friend, but...
You are my best friend.
We'll see about that.
What do you mean, but we'll see about that?
True, in a relationship, she'll tell me that.
Whatever. Okay. What is something that I do that you wish I wouldn't?
Wow, the list is so long.
I'm
just joking. It's not long.
Wow.
Oh, she keep her phone on silent. It's annoying. Like, the phone is on silent, so she have to have it on her to feel it vibrate. So that's, I wish she would just keep it on ring.
Yeah, I don't like to hear phones ring. I don't like that.
It's annoying.
I don't like that. So every phone that I've ever had, it has always been on silent.
I don't know what should I hide, but I feel like
it's not hide. I just don't. I don't know. I don't like when people call me. Really, I prefer to text or WhatsApp. I don't really like when people call me. So unless it's showing up.
It's up in there. Yeah, whatever.
Okay. What is my heritage and where am I from? You can just say like town. Yeah,
I mean, she's like a Kingstonian, you know. She's born and raised in a Kingston. She's not a country girl. You know what I mean? Yeah, so. You know.
What is my heritage?
Tony.
What is my heritage?
Your heritage?
Yeah. What are people always calling me?
Oh, it's them such a like kind of coolish or Indian, you know.
And what else? What are they always saying? In particular about my eyes.
Oh, like she Asian, like she Chinese.
I don't know if that is true. I don't really know.
Probably some.
I guess maybe Indian. I don't know.
Probably some defaults, you know, like the eye kind of.
Wow. Like on my computer, like no, can have a default.
She get it from her father still. Her father have that type of, you know, eye. Yeah.
Anyway, moving right along. If you baked me a cake, what kind would I like?
If I baked you a cake, I think you would like red velvet.
No.
Okay.
I mean, red velvet cake is nice, you know, but
what kind of cake would you like?
I'd probably like cheesecake.
You know, I was going to say that, but I was like, you know, like we kind of switch it up a bit because I like cheesecake, so we'll have that in common.
Anywho, next question. The next question is, what is the one unique talent that I have?
That's easy. Just sing.
Unique? No, that's not a unique. Everybody can sing, except you. But like,
wow.
What is a unique talent that I have? What is something that I can do that a lot of people can't do? I feel like everybody can sing. Like that's not even a big deal.
What is? I don't know. I can't pinpoint a unique talent. You see, Shelly for me. You see, this is not a wrong or right thing in the way. So Shelly for me.
No, because
right.
I'm looking at him like that because I'm trying to think of something that's a unique talent. Anyway, I don't really know.
You see, I don't know. I don't see really anything unique much. She sings and everybody's.
That is not a unique talent. Anyway, moving along, people.
She can't dance.
Okay, next question.
I'm gonna get in trouble.
This is not a get in trouble thing. Weird habits. What are weird habits that I have?
Again, weird. To the phone thing, like
weird. That's not weird.
She like to move her nose. Like, I can move it. Yeah, she move her nose. That's kind of weird. I
don't really think that's a habit.
What's that? Weird habit.
This. That's not weird. Maybe a lot of people do that.
Yeah, that's how people clear it. You know, I don't really see like any weird stuff like that. Really.
Okay, alright.
Normal. I don't know.
What do we argue about the most?
Oh, that I don't listen.
At least him get something confidently right. He doesn't listen. Anyway, what is my favorite restaurant? Do I have one? I think I would say, I think you would know where. Like, whose food like I really love.
Like restaurant.
Yeah. Whose food that we both really love.
KFC?
I mean, yeah, we like KFC chicken, but like a restaurant. Like that we go and we eat food and we say, yes, you know, this is a treat. Like when we go, it's like a treat.
Oh, the turnover?
Yeah.
Yeah, the turnover.
I really like the turnover. Nice. Their food is bomb.com. You guys should go. And you guys should check out our video. We have a review on their breakfast, their breakfast buffet.
Breakfast.
So check it out. Yeah, we can go back. Yeah. Alright. What can I spend hours doing?
Watch series. Watch a show. Watch a show.
I will, depending on if I like it, but I wouldn't say that is something. And I don't know how you said that first, because there's something that I'm always doing that you're like, you can't stop that now.
Like play a game on the phone?
No.
4 pick one word?
No. Because if I don't know the word, I'm not playing it. What something that I'm always doing? Not always, but I do it a lot. And you're like, you can't stop it now.
It not click right now. What is it?
Scrolling through social media. Yeah. I just spend hours doing it.
Like
He claims to say I'm always on my phone, but
Facebook, Grams, WhatsApp.
Well, not really so much WhatsApp anymore, but yeah.
Oh well.
Yeah, next question. Who was the one to say I love you first? And where was it?
I don't remember where was it, but she was the one to say I love you first.
No,
it was over the phone.
No, it wasn't.
It was over the phone.
He was the one to say I love you first, and it was over when we used to talk on Facebook chats. I'm sure you did tell me to say I love you on Facebook.
No,
chat.
she was the one who took. She do it first to say me, I go say something, and then
I don't remember that.
I love you. And she was like, oh, you love me? Yeah.
No, I think he was.
It's blurred.
That's a blurry. That's a blurry memory.
I guess I forgot to like Facebook message, just search the history.
Yeah, we used to talk a lot, like hard on Facebook. Back in the day. Anyway,
back in the day, we should go back there.
Anyway, what is my most repeated phrase or sentence?
I mean, I know you used to like to say.
I think, like, as I said that, I know exactly like which one. You're supposed to know what it is too. And it's in reference to you. Like, I'm always saying it to you.
What do you say again? I don't remember. These things just not click. It's just not on the mind right now. What you used to say? What you used to say a lot?
You're so unbugging. You're so unbugging. Or you're so annoying. I say unbugging, but the word is really humbug. Like, you're a humbug, like you're annoying. But we just say unbugging, you know? Jamaicans just say that, I'm unbugging, like you're so unbugging. Yeah, I say it a lot. Because he's so annoying. But I love him. He's my husband. Too. I don't annoy him.
You're annoying when you're ready.
Yeah, anyway. So that was the last question, guys. That was the last question. Alright, guys. That was our husband tag. Let us know if you really liked it. If you think Sean did well. Cheer for him in the comments. If you think it was funny, put the laughing face. And give us a thumb up. We have other videos to go in this wedding series. It's just a mini series, but there are some things that we really wanted to share in terms of, you know, our journey to marriage. So you guys will be seeing more of that.
Yeah. So you're gonna share the wedding video?
Well, we'll see. If you guys get this video to 100 likes, then we will share the wedding video. How about that? Do you guys think you can do that? If you guys get it to 100 likes, then we'll share the wedding video. Yeah. So that's the challenge for you guys. Get this video to 100 likes, and then we'll share the wedding video. Okay,
well, you don't know. Big up yourself. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for sitting and watching this long video. You know, for some people might not like care about this switch, but you know, it's a get to know us some more type of thing to see, you know, us trying to, you know, live together, get to know each other more. But thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, follow us on Instagram. We have a page on Facebook we want you to like as well. Don't stop, share and subscribe as well. Yes. Big up yourself.
Yes. And also welcome to our new subscribers. Since we posted our last video, we have had a lot of new subscribers, welcome to the gang, guys. Welcome to the YaadMentz gang. And you'll be seeing more from us now. You know, we're on a little hiatus.
We were on a little hiatus.
Yeah, but you know, we're gonna get back into the groove. Yeah. And you're gonna be seeing more videos from us. Yes. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.